Gbogbo igi tó ń wò mí ẹ wo bí o ṣe rí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Justice Somebody ó mà ti wá di yam skata o ó ti di yam skata ẹ wá gbọ́ àdúrà ọ̀rọ̀ tí àwọn èèyàn sọ sí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó and then ṣe rí ọ̀rọ̀ justice yìí èmi ò mọ spirit tí ọmọ Mohbad yẹn gbé wáyé o ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti ń fẹ́ di nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé àwọn other country now àwọn náà ti ń fẹ́ máa prepare rally wọ́n ti ń fẹ́ máa prepare rally tiwọn Kòtónú ti sọ wípé àwọn náà máa organize rally Ghana náà ti sọ wípé àwọn máa organize rally ẹjọ́ tí ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó yìí tó bá wá di nǹkan tí wọ́n wá ti organize rally ní àwọn other country ṣé ẹ ní mọ̀ wípé ìtìjú ló máa jẹ́ fún àwọn ìjọba wa ẹ wá gbọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ń dárúkọ Sanwó-Olú tó ń dárúkọ IG tó ń dárúkọ bàbá wa Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu tó ń dárúkọ Ẹgbẹ́tókun tó ń dárúkọ àwọn top ní Nàìjíríà kí ni wọ́n ń wò tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí fi ń di báyìí kí ni wọ́n ń wò tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí fi ń go fà báyìí ṣé wàá mọ̀ kó tó bá di wípé àwọn other country wọ́n wá ń ṣe rally lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí máa ju bá a ṣe ń wò lọ o ẹ̀yin ìjọba a bẹ́tà kẹ́lẹ́dẹ̀ wọ́n kàn ṣe sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ó ti di yam skata ẹ wo ẹnu mi nìkan kọ́lẹ́ tó máa gbọ́ ẹ wá gbọ́ fún ara yín but kí n tó fún yín ní àwọn information yẹn ẹ bá mi share program yìí ẹ̀bẹ̀ ni mo bẹ̀ yín ẹ bá mi share ẹni tó yọ ọmọ fún yín kò ní gbé yín lọ́mọ lọ ẹ bá mi share kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ ẹ bá mi subscribe sálẹ̀ ilé Global TV fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín iná ò ní tán wọ yín abudintolókun abudintolọ́sà ọwọ́ tẹ́ ẹ fi ń tẹ subscribe yẹn ẹ ò ní fi gbọ́mọ sí agbára Èdùmàrè ẹ má bá mi ká lọ. I wonder.
Mohbad. We are not here just shouting. Some of us, we are professional, we have our job, but we still manage our time to advocate for justice for Mohbad. We are not shouting for nothing. And thank God we are seeing the light. The lady in that group chat that said that made mention of a judge, that judge should be called out. That lady should be called out. Any source, everything was prepared.
Yeah, fídíò mú gbìyànjú.
So when you were playing, this particular lady, in spite of that, now what's very bring it up, but got that also, we are supposed to check on the and to about that, into about that, only it is in she. Into a more category, because it's all right. Everyone got out of the town to please commit. Actually, what's it? You will also get against you, or she is somewhere. Oh, yeah, so bad. Oh, I mean, Louis Nicole, I tell you, we are to do it. Also, go to one day. Daddy, to bring this particular thing equal, we know it's not those people do more already. It is the people at this time around. But we want to fake accounts, so they're creating to buy time to buy so one stop. So no matter also. Thank you.
Let's go here.
We are just shouting. We are not shouting. We are mothers, we are fathers, and we are uncles, we are brothers, we are aunties. That feel the pain that the father of Mohbad is going through right now. That is why we are using our voice. Since 2023, we are not relenting, we are not back down, we stand in the gap. Because we want Nigerian government, legal state authority to listen to us. We will not allow any stupid fools to be buying our children. No, it has to be stopped. And Mohbad has said it. That Tito Mulema will share the last and it's not talking to you, missing Tadibanjo alone. He's talking to all of them, but one time you put the Malians. Don't he prepare the way? Don't he moye to mangba? What did you share record to see let me weary? 100. Tí bàbá ẹ̀ ti hẹ́pẹ̀ fún, tó ti gbé orí kan pé Mohbad gbélé yóò lè change sí i. Àwọn olórí burúkú kan wá dé lánàá. Àwọn sọ pé bàbá Mohbad ò ń ṣe bàbá. Like nǹkan tí one of our sisters sọ, ọkùnrin as a single father is not easy. If obìnrin bá jẹ́ single mother, yes, obìnrin ló mọ bóun ṣe gbọmọ, ó máa fi ilé wọn. Ọkùnrin ó sacrifice gbogbo ìgbésí ayé wọn, all his social life for these children. Àwọn kan wá jáde lẹ́yìn wọn ní bàbá Mohbad is not a good father. Kò ní yẹ yín Ajabi tí kò bá ṣe káàkùn ẹ̀ àti energy physical financial ló fi lókà tàwọn ọmọ yìí ní kọ́ ilé máa jèrè gbogbo nǹkan tó ń dùn wọ́n yín lọ. Good afternoon. Momike, good afternoon. Thank you very much, Mr. Dari. We really appreciate your submission. And Talukon. Do you want to omit yourself? Yeah, Mommy, good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon to all the panelists and the commenters. Good afternoon. God bless everybody. Justice for Mohbad. Mommy, shall we, from the onset, from all the videos and everything that you've played, and from all what we've been saying since all these years, for almost 2 years now, that we've been on this justice for Mohbad, it is crystal clear that Iyabo Ojo wrote the script for them. I don't know how you'll be narrating a story that you are not present there, you are not there, but you are narrating as if you are there. And Kodafi, Kokoleno. He's the spokesperson of Sally is just like a call, so it's more or less like she's the one that wrote the script for them. Torí tó ṣe narrate ẹ mọ̀ pé ohun tó ń sọ, ohun tó ń jó lábẹ́, òun làwọn èèyàn náà ń bọ́ síta lọ́wọ́ à ń sọ. But one thing I'm so certain of, I'm so sure of is Iyabo Ojo, gbogbo nǹkan táwọn abiyamọ ayé àti abiyamọ ọ̀run àti gbogbo àwọn tó ń bẹ lórí ilẹ̀ lálàyé láàárọ̀ ìkókó tó kún wọn ti sọ, ó máa ṣe mọ́ ẹ lórí because ó ti fi ègún burúkú ó ti fà sínú ìdílé ẹ̀, ó dẹ̀ ti fà lé àwọn ọmọ ẹ lórí because it's more or less like the way if you look at the way the music industry, the entertainment industry is coming up, you will see that Naira Marley's movement is like a big deal to them. They look for so many ways to bring that boy down because it is crystal clear pé wọ́n jowó ọmọ yẹn, wọ́n wò báyìí pé everybody accepted him, he came from nowhere and kò dẹ̀ join any record label, ó pèrè ní Malians and it took over the ways on social media, both online and offline. Everybody wants to be Malians, so they're looking for every way láti mú ọmọ yẹn wálẹ̀. And the balance will continue about the call. I think one of the songs that you were saying that I was saying to Deke, I want to watch it call. It's part of the reason. Because every one of them in that group, Mohbad is the one coming. And they know that so they decided that let's just take Mohbad out of the place and use it. And if you look at the WhatsApp group that BDM posted, when you look at the people in that WhatsApp group, according to him, I want to say release Okomo, you will know that one way or the other, there are some that are affiliated to another record label. That they are in that VDM, they are in that WhatsApp group. Because in the initial statement that Mohbad Kokoku, they said Dre, who is being known as Davido PA there, he gave Darosha, not Baba, 2 million naira. Báwo ló ṣe kí ni nǹkan tó fẹ́ fi 2 million naira ẹ̀ ṣe?
Yeah, owó kíni.
There is another name there in that WhatsApp group, they call him Aloma BMW. He's part of that record label's group as well. What exactly are they doing there? Because don't you ever have a concerned citizen? Lòun àti sọ bí group yẹn. We have thousands and millions of Nigerians that are fighting for justice for Mohbad. Why didn't she invite those ones? Why are those people? What is Dre doing there? What is Sam Clef doing there? What is Aloma BMW doing there? I think there is another name there, something Messiah or something. All these people, when you look at the way it is, you know that they have one way or the other related or affiliated to each other. And it's coming from record label. So in that point, they are being envious of Naira Marley. They want to bring that boy down with all costs. Now, let's now go back to the issue of Daddy Face, the record that you played. You see, one thing about life is, whenever all these people coming out to come and say something, there is one thing I realize in Iyabo Ojo, when she's lying, she won't be able to face the camera. She will be picking her words. Because even on back, when she will come,
Àwọn abiyamọ ti kọ̀yìn sí ẹ.
she's trying to be careful to pick her words so that she will not make a mistake. But ó ti gbàgbé, ike tí wọ́n bá lọ lóko ọdún, òótọ́
Àbájọ
ọmọ
kan.
jáde, títí láíláí. And for one thing that she did on that day, she and Dr. Dike laughing at that man
Shengbo.
If there's any secret or any of your secrets
Shengbo.
that Yebojo has in hand that is making her to gaslight you or to blackmail you guys for you not to do the right thing, Baba Wende Toko,
Shengbo.
you are a father. You are a father. Is there any secret that Yebojo has in her hand that is making her to believe that she's above the law in Nigeria? President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I know you are a good father. You listen to the youth. You listen to Nigerians. Is there any of the secrets or Sheyi Tinubu's secrets or Baba Femi Tinubu's secret that Yebojo knows that is making her to believe that she's above the law? Please, Daddy, I know what you guys do the right thing. Do the right thing for us. For us. Let us have that faith in our system. Let us continue to have faith in our judiciary system. Let us have faith in all the government parastatals. Let us have faith that in Lagos State truly, people can still get justice. But if you continue to be doing this under your watch, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, and you refuse to give this boy the justice he deserves, then you have proven to us that you are not competent. You are not going to be a leader. They are using all our money to pay you guys. The taxpayers' money, they are using it to pay all you guys' salary. Why are you doing this? What is the main motive of the stand of the authority?
Àti kan Babajide o.
His main motive was to protect the public interest. Why are you not protecting us? What is going on? Who is Yabo Ali Sokoro Ayeojo? Who is she in Lagos State that you guys cannot do the right thing? She obstructed justice. She manipulated the whole public. She manipulated the whole world. Not even Nigerians alone. Both the Nigerians in diasporas, those people that are not even Nigerians. Yabo was manipulated us. She diverted all our attention to something else. When you're talking about bullies, is it bullies that buy Mohbad? She bullies don't buy me.
Yé wa o.
Is it bullies that buy Mohbad in the house because Mohbad died on Monday on the 11th of September? Not on the 12th. The doctor of Forex said, can I go? That's what it reports to us. The body is already on state of death. The motives are certain. All the motives are certain. Okutoba, who ní ìjọkọ̀ ògbógbó yóò lè ṣe ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ sí.
Of course.
Ọmọ Mohbad is nothing you black. The palm of Mohbad has already, there is black spot on it. His teeth has already come together. What are you not telling us? What are you saying to us? It's like a slap on our face. You're making us to believe that we are all dollars. You're making us to believe that we are all dogs. And let me remind you all over the world that when you go anywhere in the country, in the world, Nigerians are most talented people. We are gifted, we are educated, we are enlightened. We know our life of our God. Why are you cheating us? Ẹ̀yin náà wá jẹ ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó ṣe wọ̀ wá lójú.
Ìyẹn ti wà tipẹ́tipẹ́.
But I want to tell everybody on this platform, we have almost 400 people here listening to us. It could be you, it could be your child, it could be your sister, it could be your brother, it could be anybody from your family. Stand up and fight for the right cause. To it can all about Sheyi. The man of God should take your children and in God. Nothing can happen to them. Remember, all these kids that we are having, every one of them have their interest to go to Nigeria. They might go to Nigeria one day and you sitting down and folding your hands and be looking at the way this thing is going?
Àwọn èèyàn bínú o.
The first lady of Lagos State, Madam Igbekọ̀ká Adéjọkẹ́, you are a mother. Abiyamọ ni yín. You have your own kids. Àwọn ọmọ yín ṣe dáadáa níwájú yín. Your kids are doing a lot of things in front of you and you are happy. They took somebody's child. Ọmọ ní bàbá ọmọ Badibi. They took Mohbad from his dad. That is the apple of his eyes. Ọmọ tiẹ̀ náà ni. Ọkọ ìdílé kan ló gbà. And you as a mother, you fold your hands under your watch, under the watch of your husband, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, and you making them to manipulate what the public believes to have been a true justice. Please, and we are calling on you guys. Actually, the right thing, you can still do it. You can still rewrite your story. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, whenever you leave this, power in process, you cannot be there forever. You are best, lie. Rewrite your story so that your name will be put in the right book of history. Do the right thing. And now, let me now go back to everybody. For the people that are still aligning that man, Baba Joseph Oluwatomi Waloba, if you are still among the people that are still abusing that man, gbogbo ìkọlù tí bàbá yẹn ní wáyé ẹ̀ lórí Mohbad yìí, gbogbo yìí ló máa fara pẹ́ ọmọ sára kan. Ní agbára náà, every one of you will have a taste of it.
Àwọn ilé o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Yeah.
Mr. Oman Property, you can go ahead. Firstly, Sister Aisha, I always admire your energy. God will continue to be with you. And Mommy Iti, Oman ni vibe ko ẹ̀yin àti Mommy GB play ni vibe yẹn. Tẹ́ bá ti suspect ọ̀nà kan báyìí, ẹ máa ń mú inú lọ́nà yẹn ní títí ọ̀nà yẹn máa fi tú. Òun lọ̀rọ̀ kìíní kẹ̀kẹ́rẹ́ sí ní mẹ́rin lílẹ̀ níjọ́ mẹ́ta fún forensics. Tẹ́ bá wù mo mí comment kan tó mọ̀ ọ̀dẹ ọmọ àgbésọ́nù kejì yẹn kó tó gòkè lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn pé Ìyábọ̀ ó ṣe mistake gan. Kò dé túbá. Àrísẹ́ tó fi túbá. Kárí Ìyábọ̀ wà innocent láti Genesis ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad tó kọ̀ já sí. Everybody ṣe já sí. Ó máa túbá. Ó máa tọrọ ìdáríjì lọ́wọ́ Naira Marley. Torí pé òun ló jẹ́ ìpínlẹ̀. Torí ẹ̀mí ò ṣe lè túbá.
Òun ni foundation.
Now, what do I mean? Ìsọjú bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ́ yẹn o. Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ́ yẹn. Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ́ yẹn. Ẹ wo bí gbogbo ojú tó ń wò mí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí. Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ti gbọ́ yẹn. Ẹ gbọ́ bọ́bọ́ yẹn ti ń lérí de Ìyábọ̀ pé tán bá bí dáa kó padà wá sí Nàìjà. Ẹ dẹ̀ gbọ́ táwọn kan tó ti ń sọ wípé kán kúkú petition against ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ kán lọ ṣe rally ní Canada tó wà yẹn. Àwọn ìjọba Canada wọn á fish ẹ̀ out. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tí kìíní ìbá lọ di bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe ń rò. Ìtìjú yà kàn tún pọ̀ sí o. Ìtìjú yà tún pọ̀ sí o. Gbogbo ojú tó wò mí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò yìí. Kẹ́lẹ́ bá mi subscribe sí Ẹlẹ́yẹlé Global TV. Information tí mo sáré rí nìyẹn tí mo ní kí n sáré wá fi tó ẹ̀yin lólùfẹ́ mi létí. Mo tún padà bọ̀. Ire o.